Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM News TV. It's Wednesday, October the 23rd, 2013. I've done my morning ritual. I've gone through a bunch of press releases trying to find the news that stands out to me. I give you my insights into why that news stands out, and the ultimate goal in the show is to find good companies for you to do your homework on, and ultimately find some good investments in there as well. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. And on today's show, I've got 5 companies to talk about. We're keeping it, trying to keep the show around 10 minutes, so we'll get right to it. Today's first news is from Zenyatta Ventures. Zenyatta Ventures, the headline is Drilling for their National Instrument 43-101 resource estimate is complete. All drill holes intersected wide zones of graphite mineralization on the east and west pipes. This project is from their 100% owned Albany hydrothermal graphite deposit located in northern Ontario. You know, they've got tons of drill holes here, but for example, one is 210 meters at 5.8% carbon graphite. Excuse me. And that starts very close to surface, within 50 meters of surface. They have plenty of other holes here that have similar type intersections. Very interesting deposit. They mentioned that this was a very successful delineation drilling program in 2013. They confirmed the geometry of 2 large vertical breccia bodies consisting of unique hydrothermal style of graphite mineralization. This company's put out a lot of news lately, and it is a company that I follow very closely. We've featured it in past Best of the Best and weekly news shows. The last time I was talking about it reaching a support level, and it bounced off of that support level. The stock chart looks to be a little bit oversold and getting ready for another leg up in what has been excellent performance over the last year or so. As I said, Zenyatta's symbol is ZEN, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. The next company is Kootenay Silver. Kootenay Silver announced that they hit 183 grams per ton silver equivalent over 25 meters, which included 94 grams per ton of silver and 0.75 grams per ton gold, 2.41% lead and zinc as well. Including in there was a higher grade interval as well of 5 meters of 162 grams of silver and 0.83 grams of gold and 4.83% lead and zinc. This project is in Sonora, Mexico. It's their flagship Promontorio silver project. They've got a lot of work going on there. This latest results was from 3 drill holes from their drilling. Again, they've got quite a bit of good information in the press release that you can find on the company's website. Company has 62 million shares out, trading at about 63 cents right now. Their stock chart it's a bit of a patchy trader. You know, and it does look like it's kind of basing, but I don't see a lot that tells me that they're going to break out of that base and start to trade on a more regular basis. But definitely some good news to take a look at and do your homework on. KTN on the Venture Exchange is Kootenay Silver's stock symbol. The next company is Dalradian Resources. Dalradian Resources announced that they've got 99.4% recovery from their new metallurgical testing at their Curragilnut gold deposit in Northern Ireland. This is a very interesting project. I picked up on this one not too long ago. And I really liked the intersections I was seeing on the company's drilling. Back when I picked it, it was trading at right around 60 cents a share. It has traded as high as almost 90, I think 89, 90 cents a share. It's given back some of those gains, but recently it hit the support level around 67.5 cents, and it's breaking up off of that. And the stock chart is looking actually pretty good right now. I think this one has some more legs to the upside. DNA on the Toronto Stock Exchange is their symbol. Next company is North American Nickel. North American Nickel has made a new discovery of high-grade nickel and copper, cobalt, platinum group metal mineralization at their Imiak North project on Greenland. They've got the Imiak Hill discovery, and now this new zone looks quite. They're calling it Imiak North. They hit some very good grades, 55.75 meters grading 1.28% nickel, 0.36% copper, and then they've got some cobalt and platinum group metals in there as well. There was a sub-interval in this drill hole that hit 9.9 meters of 4.65% nickel, 0.33% copper, 0.13% cobalt, and some PGM numbers in there as well. So they're getting some very good intersections, very thick, very promising grades. They've got something very good up there in Greenland. Now, the trouble with working in Greenland is you've got a season there, you've got a battle, but they sure have had a great drilling season so far. I'm really liking the drill results that I've seen from that company. I originally started talking about this company when they were 27 cents, traded as high as 47 cents. After that, it's given back some of those gains, currently trading around 4 cents. But I really like this new discovery they've got up there. Their stock symbol is NAN, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Final news today is from Mountain Province Diamonds. Mountain Province and their partner De Beers have received federal government approval on their Gaucho Q diamond mine development. They've got that approval now from both the feds and the local government. The Mackenzie Valley Environmental Review Board also gave them approval. So now they can move forward with their mine development at Gaucho Q, which will be the next major diamond mine in the Northwest Territories. This is a great project, and now it looks like they can start building it. The stock has sort of had a good run from December until it hit its yearly high around 585 back in August. Since then, it really started looking like it was trending sideways around this 510 type number. Usually kind of bounces off of that, so it's trading under there right now. I think it's got a chance of popping up a little bit more from here. So that's all the news for today, and join us tomorrow. Before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to speak with your financial advisor and do your homework. We always try to present a lot of companies that warrant you doing your homework on, and we're doing a pretty good job of helping you find some winners in there as well. On that note, you have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.